This RE/MAX Crown Realty property video is presented by Johnny King. Direct riverfront with deep water and access to the Intracoastal Waterway and world-famous Sebastian Inlet. Catch fish on your private dock and keep your boat on the lift. River Edge features a private community boat ramp just across the street. Home features a large kitchen with pass-through window to the enclosed porch, tile floors throughout, roll-down shutters and generator hookup. For more information, review the details below or contact Johnny King at 772-589-3054.